At U.S. Cargo Control, we are constantly looking for ways to make your job safer and easier. One of those innovations is this, the new gear driving ratchet. This ratchet is available on 2-inch and 4-inch straps, and what makes it unique is an additional gear that allows you to tighten the strap by pulling on the handle rather than pushing against it like a typical ratchet. This allows you to use your arms and body weight instead of your back, neck, and shoulders in the tightening process. It also provides more clicks of the gear when the handle is in motion to allow more precise tightening. It helps ensure you have firm footing when tightening the strap, especially on snow, ice, or uneven ground. The goal behind this new design is to minimize the risk of injury and make securing the load easier and safer. The additional gear between the handle and mandrel also gives more leverage when tightening, so you can get the strap tighter with less effort. In-house testing has shown that it is possible to get nearly twice as much tension on the strap with equal or less effort compared to traditional ratchets. This new ratchet also features a knob on the side to take up or release webbing around the mandrel, again to reduce the amount of effort needed to safely operate the ratchet. As with all load securement items sold by U.S. Cargo Control, these assemblies are tagged and labeled to meet or exceed all FMCSA DOT requirements as well as WTSDA recommended standards. For more information, visit us at uscargocontrol.com or give us a call at 800-969-6543.